Hello everyone, this video is intended for my friends and to anyone who might find this helpful. And this chart that I'm going to show you today is, I'll just read my description. So I am using previous historical data to show where the bottom price of Bitcoin might be in the future. Since we are now in a down market, so we're trying to predict where the price might bottom out. Okay, so first of all, you must have a TradingView account. If you don't have one yet, you can use my referral link, and you can check my referral link through my website marssmarsshan.com, and then click on this button, crypto/trading, and then click on this button, TradingView referral link. So it will take you to a sign up page, and you can just create a free account, though the free account will have a limit of, I think, 3 to 5 indicators per chart, but that is enough. And then once you have your TradingView account, click on this button, Crypto Journal Strategies. This is a Google Sheet that I share with my friends. I created this Google Sheet, and then click on this sheet, BTC bottom checklist. Click this link. It will take you to this published chart in my TradingView account. So this is the same as this one. Okay, you can close this one. Okay, so once you're on this chart, on my published chart, click on this button, and then click make it mine, and then it should be stored or saved on your TradingView account. So this chart, my chart has already been saved on your TradingView account, so you can use it freely without having to go uh, to my profile. Okay, so as you can see on this chart, there are these two yellow vertical lines are the previous cycles where Bitcoin has bottomed out, or the prices of Bitcoin has bottomed. And um, this uh, these two cycles have identical patterns which we can use. Uh, First of all, as you can see on this first cycle, the price is at the lower diagonal trend line, and then the moving average, the curve lines here, the moving average is at the top of the diagonal trend line. So here is the upper diagonal trend line, and here is the lower diagonal trend line. So this moving average is at the top, or has hit the top of the diagonal trend line. Okay, this one here, and then this cycle here. And then the RSI indicator is at level 30 or 28, yeah, near 30. And then also this cycle, on this cycle, the RSI level is below 30. And then on this indicator, the LMA indicator, or the logarithmic moving average indicator, is at uh, the horizontal red line, so at the negative zero point .5 mark. So on this first cycle, uh, it has hit the horizontal red line, and also on this cycle. Okay, so they both have identical patterns, although on this second cycle the price has not really hit the bottom of the lower diagonal trend line here, but it is close. The price is already near it. So yeah, it's up to you how how you uh, how you can fit the price to the patterns. But anyway, so also if we turn on this indicator, let me just um, hide the other indicators and make this bigger. So on where was it? The first cycle, January 2015, you can see that the price is near this lower deviation or lower band. And then also here on December 2018, the price has hit the lower band. Okay, so I created this Google Sheet so that I will have a checklist so that I will not forget on what to look for when identifying that the market or the price of Bitcoin has hit the bottom. So first checklist I have in here is the monthly RSI should be below 53. Okay, so let us check. On the first cycle, the month of January 2015, the monthly RSI is at 44. So it has hit the so it is below 53. And then the weekly RSI is below 33. So let's switch back to weekly. So the weekly RSI is below 30. Yeah, it's at 28. And then on this second cycle as well, weekly is at 28, and then monthly RSI is below 53. Yeah, it's at 44. Yeah. So, and then the third checklist, logarithmic moving average indicator is less than negative 0.48. So here this indicator should hit the red horizontal line on the weekly chart. Okay, so both two cycles has hit the red horizontal line, so it is a check. So for example, if let's just say that don't mind the dates yet, but let's just say that this is a yes, a yes, a yes, and then the concavity indicator hits the upper trend line. This indicator, concavity indicator, or the moving average of this concavity indicator, is hitting this upper trend or upper diagonal trend line, which in these two cycles they have hit the upper trend line. So this is a yes as well. And then price is near the lower diagonal trend line. Price is near, yeah, price is near the lower diagonal trend line here. So first cycle it has hit the lower diagonal trend line, and then the second cycle it almost hit it, but it's near the lower diagonal trend line. Okay, don't mind this BTC main weekly chart. Anyway, just use this chart. Yeah. Okay, and then the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve indicator is at the lowest. So this is the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. So it should be at around here at the lowest deviation, or at the lower band. So currently the price is, you can say it's near the lower band, but it's not yet as near as the previous cycles where we had the price of Bitcoin bottom on December 2018. Let's make it larger. Double click on the chart. December 2018, yeah. So it's at the lower band. And then also on January 2015. There. Yeah. Okay. And then now this is the same with this one, but you can view the chart on this link provided. So Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve is at low dev or low deviation. Here, the yellow curve at the bottom. So it's kind of near at the middle. If you zoom in, so probably when the price hits around this level, we can say that we are near the bottom, or the price is at the bottom. Okay, and then the next checklist is the 2-year multiplier. Price should be near the green area. Let's close it. Okay, so the price should be near this green moving average. Yeah. Okay, so right now let's zoom in. Oops, let's zoom in and check if I think it's, I don't know, oops, auto scale. Anyway, let's move on to the next checklist. 200-week moving average heat map. The price should be near the moving average. So it's not yet, or so this is the price now, and then should be near this moving average, so that we can say that we are at the bottom, or we are nearly at the bottom. And then the next checklist is the fuel, or I don't know how to say it, but fuel multiple within the green channel. Okay. Yeah, so this should be near this green area. Okay, as you can, so you can say that, yeah, price is probably at the bottom. And then the last two checklist, our HODL ratio is within the green channel. So the ratio should be within this green area, so that we can say that the price may be at the bottom. And then the last checklist is the reserve risk is within the green channel as well. So here, so reserve risk, it's already near the green channel, or maybe it just looks near because it's zoomed out. But anyway, yeah, it should be within the green channel, so that we can say that the price might have been in the bottom. So personally, how I use this checklist is, if all of these checklists are green, or yes, or yeah, are marked Y, or which means yes, I could probably say that the price has already, or the bottom price of Bitcoin is already in, or yeah, or maybe I can have one or two no, and still I can probably say that, or I can say that, yeah, maybe it's good to buy in this area, because the checklist uh, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or more or less 90% of the checklist is marked yes. Okay, so that's how I use this strategy to check for the bottom price of Bitcoin, and hopefully this finds you find this helpful, and you can use this as well in your trading decisions. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.